Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about our second topic on web table, that is called dynamic web table handling with the pagination. Okay, dynamic is nothing but the values will change when we click for that paginations. Okay, the paginations different on each and every website. Okay, they may be used the same or they not be used the same. Okay, different on the application, but the almost of work is same. Okay, the for loops rotation and everything similar format. Okay, now for this we can able to see here in the last video session I shown this particular web table handling, right? Please go through that. Okay, that will help you to understand that entire concept of web table handling. Okay, and this particular session it will help you to understand the pagination as well. Okay, pagination same place we are going to use rows and all you already knows that. Okay, I'm going to delete this for loop first because it will get the some confusion. Okay, the rows wise and pagination wise we can able to see this is the part, right? And we can able to see this entire table. Now previous we are able to see T body only. Okay, but this particular page having for T header, see T header and T body. There are two sections. Okay, one is header body headers and another one is T body, and T headers again TRs. Okay, inside the TR TH. Okay, TR and TH is a common, but T header will be a separate. Okay, this is having for ID. Okay, I'm taking the ID path. For the ID indication, it's like a hash. Okay, I'm going to specifying this particular one. Okay, in that we need to get the rows, right? For this rows we need to get it means hyphen tr, sorry, t body, and inside the trs. Okay, how many? 5 rows we have. We need to get that only for t body row body only. That's why I'm going to specifying that particular location, and here I'm going to deleting this entire things. Okay, this is basically cell values it will return. So rows, right? Yeah, so rows display. Okay, and cell value inside the tr we can able to, it's not a tr and t header, t head inside the tr and then th. Okay, this will return for 4 because 4 columns we have. Okay, we can able to print for 4 columns. Okay, now we can see whether we can able to get this particular one or not. Now we can see in the count in our case. See 514 we are able to get it, right? Now we are able to get this one, and then what we can able to do it. We can need to do for pagination as well. Okay. For the pagination getting, we need to use some codings, right? This also 4 we have. Okay, we have for 4. Then if you identify this one, there is a tag called href hash is the class active. Okay, when you click this particular second one, inspect this here, a class is empty. It is not an active because it is not choose. When you choose, it will become an active, right? Then it is a very difficult to handle, right? For this, again, I'm going to use for one co a, then text equal to and double quotation 1. Okay, we are able to identify one particular pagination. In the similar format, we can able to handle, right? Now for this here, I'm going to use for loop where I equal to 1, I is greater than or equal to columns dot count I plus plus because we need to rotate for 4 times. Okay, for that I'm going to use for this one. Okay, then we need to click for every time that specific one, right? For this again I'm going to use for driver dot find element, and then we use for by dot x path. Okay, in this x path we need to specify this particular path. Okay, I'm copying this path and specifying the path, and dot we are mentioning for click. Okay, and here we need to specify some two plus symbols and I. Okay, and we can able to click that particular number. Okay, even because the first all almost first page always be active only. If you click, if you are not click, there is no matter, right? That moment you can use for text and read that value and specify that if text is equal to 1, then you can skip that one to click. Okay, if it is not equal, then you can click, otherwise no. Okay, both the cases is similar. Okay, now I'm going to use for here thread dot string and 1000. Okay, you can see the pagination how it will goes. You can see one by one page it will be clicked. Okay, now we can see the paginations. See, we are able to see the all the paginations, right? 4 pagination we are able to do. Once the pagination is done, we need to run for 4. Each row we need to rotate, and then each row inside that we need to rotate some values, right? For this we need to run for all rows. Okay, 5 rows we need to rotate where j equal to 1. Okay, first of all we need to see this is my t header, right? Here I'm going to specify t body, and then I'm going to use for nth child 1 position and th nth roll. Okay, we can able to see for that particular child. Okay, now there are 3 things only we need to run, right? Only we can able to print for 3. We are not able to read because it is a checkbox, right? For this again we need to use for different approach. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5. Okay, leave it. We can do it. J is greater than or equal to rows dot count. Okay, j plus plus. Okay, one is done, and another one is for where k equal to 1. Okay, k is greater than or equal to 3. K plus plus because we are going to read the values 3 only, 1 2 3. Okay, because of that I'm specifying that value. Okay, only we can able to read for 3 cell values in a row. So, and we need to uh, where text equal to driver dot find element by dot css selector dot text, and I'm going to specify here, and then I'm going to specify here value as a j, row is a j. Okay, and then I are going to specify inside that k is belongs to cell value. Okay, and then we are going to print for console dot write line and I'm going to use for text. Okay. Now we can able to print for all the cell values without hesitating. Okay. And next time we will see for the clicking of the particular specific checkbox. Okay. Now second, third, and fourth. Okay. Now if you come into here, you can see each one 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, and like this it is printed for all the cell values. Right. Now I want to click for here. I want to click in the last when it is coming in the row. In the cell of last one is the followed by input box. Okay, that checkbox we need to click. Okay. Now for this, how we can able to do in the for loop is in the third value, router is there. Okay. When the router is coming to the name, okay, if text is equals to route, then we can take the path of this one and put it here. In the last, you can use for click functionality because there's a click, right? That's why I'm going to use for click. And here, I'm going to specify for direct value as 4. Okay. Now I'm not rotating for fourth one until here. Right now here I'm rotating. Once it is click, I'm going to break the loop. Once it is done, then I want to break the loop. I don't want to rotate again and again. Okay. Once it is done, in the last, I'm going to use for thread dot sleep with a 2 seconds of time to wait and see that particular checkbox whether it is checked or not. Okay. Now again I'm going to take this one and running. Second page and third it comes. Why third it is not rotated? Why? Why it is not able to fit that specific cell? Miracle, right? Mhm. See router it is there. One more time. Right. Again it is not clicked. Why? Oh, that is 3. J value location. That same location. If I choose this one, it is highlighted, right? Yes. That is highlighted one value, but what is not able to select? That is a miracle question, right? Again, it is able to print here, but where I have done a mistake. Same path I copied, and here I specify the score. Break is not a big deal because it is not came inside. Even there, it is not able to click it. You can see the contents also. One time, right? But 1 minute, it is not able to click. One, I lost something here. It is a mistake. Input is the one. If it is matches, then you need to click this particular one. Okay, then we need to break the loop. Again, I'm running. Yeah, sure, it breaks that loop, but why it is not break the loop? It's a miracle every time it is happening. Okay, it is break the loop here only. It is not break the whole loop, right? Remaining thing is just going. See, third one is move right. That's why you are not able to see. If it will be break here as well, break, break all the loops. We need to break it. Okay, it is not rotated because of for loop is not rotating. Break is not working as expected. Once it is there and we can, if we can able to break this three only, but it is clicked, but it is even after clicking also it is rotating that for loop. That is not a good idea. We can use for any flags. You can see here flag is equal to Okay, and then we can break the loop here. So you can mention here if flag is equal to true, then break. Same thing can be used for all the locations. Okay. Now you can see it is not moved. Okay, because we use it for breaking the loops. Okay, each time we need to use some if conditions, and there I mentioned for some blocks. Okay, if it is to the flag, then we can able to break that entire things. Otherwise, we need to rotate the. Okay, because of that, it is rotated every time, and it came for and it is clicked. If you go back and come back, that will be closed, right? Because of that, we are not able to see properly. That's why just I use for if condition to block that entire, like break that entire loops and all. Okay. Like this, we can able to use it. I hope it is this entire information helpful for you. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.